Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I show you how to generate QR code in Laravel application. One great package provides the ability to generate QR code in various formats. This package provides basically three formats. One is PNG, second one is SVG, and third one is EPS. If you want to generate QR code into the PNG format, then Imagic is required in your PC, and when Imagic is a PHP library, and we have one video tutorial link given into the description, so you can find easily and install easily, so please watch it first. Also, this package provide documentation in various languages, so you can prefer your language and read it. I going to install this package in my Laravel application, so let me install it. Composer require simple software IO / simple dash QR code. Fire this command for install the composer dependency, and see here composer dependency installed successfully. Let me start server again, and I going to generate simple QR code in my application. So let's try with this simple and specify it here. Let me refresh and show you into the browser, and see here QR code is rendered successfully in this output. Let me explain some more options. For example, size. We can specify size of the QR code with this QR code class, and let me specify here 250 and refresh. Now QR code is large. Also, this package provide color option, so you can specify color to your QR code. Let me specify red color, and now QR code is red. Also, background color supported by this package, so let's specify this background color with the opacity, and specify here background color. I going to specify black because QR code color is red. Let's refresh and see here background is changed. Let me specify format with the SVG and render here. Let me remove these options first and specify format, and specify SVG format with this QR code, and refresh and show you the QR code with the SVG. You can see here SVG HTML render here, and let me try with the PNG format, but this PNG format not render like, because this PNG is rendered as a binary, so I need to convert it into the base 64 first and render into the image tag. So let's specify image tag and src, and specify base 64 encode function, and now add this QR code in this function. Also specify data property and colon with type of the image. Specify type of image is PNG and base 64. Let me refresh, and QR code generated with this PNG image. So you can easily generate PNG image, but imagic library is required in your PC. Now I show you one example with the logo. This library also supported logo, so we can generate and set our logo in this QR code. Merge function used for the generate this QR code with the logo, but this merge function only work with the PNG format. Let's specify into this QR code and generate it with this logo. I'm going to specify public path because my logo into the public directory, and specify logo.png. This merge function support 3 argument, second argument for the size and third argument for the your path is absolute or not, otherwise this merge function take the root directory path. So let me save, let's refresh, and Laravel package tutorial logo now display into the QR code. Let me give the big size to the QR code so you can easily see it. Let's specify size here and specify 300 and refresh. Now logo display properly. Also this package is very powerful and provide lots of the helper methods, and you can generate QR code with specific, for example Bitcoin, email, geo, SMS. So when scan the QR code and perform certain action, so SMS, Wi-Fi, so you can easily generate all the types of QR code with this library for Laravel application. Thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.